Overview. So in this journey of 15 weeks, we are going to look into the various concepts. First, introduction to Google Cloud Platform, what is Cloud IAM, various compute options. All these terms maybe for some people may look like Greek and Latin. Don't worry. So we are going to go through each and everything. So what are the various compute options, storage, networking, artificial intelligence, big data concepts. And that's the reason I asked how many people come with big data background. And we'll also do some migration to GCP kind of session. And the last one is going to be the important one where we prepare ourselves for the cloud architect exam. Now the duration wise, each module, and this is what I had mentioned in the link. Yeah, most of you would have seen this. So the first module which we are going to start today is going to go around 6 hours, where 40% is going to be concepts, 60% is going to be demo. I am a firm believer that if we do lots of demos, the concept becomes very clear and it registers very well in our brain, is what I feel. So cloud IAM is one of the most important thing. It's like an horizontal. Till the last day, we are going to learn cloud IAM, to be very frank. So everywhere cloud IAM is going to come. So it's a very big topic. I have seen very other courses where they keep it very short, but I feel this is a very important one. So 12 hours we are going to spend. Compute options. What is a virtual machine? What is a Kubernetes engine? So, and if you don't come from a background of what is Docker, all those things, we are also going to see what is a Docker, how to build a Docker file, and then containerize all those things. So that's the reason you see it as heavy, almost like uh, 24 hours is what we are going to spend a good amount of time on this part. This is going to be your fundamentals. So till module 5 is going to be very hardcore fundamentals there. Once we have those fundamentals right, the remaining module 6 to 10 is going to be like a cakewalk for us, because the concept is very clear. We can go a little faster there. So total it's going to be roughly around 105 hours, folks. So which comes to roughly around 15 weeks there. Now